Now we are over in the Asian Inspirations kitchen and I'm joined by Mod. Mod, you're one of the development chefs here.
Yes.
Thank you for coming on the Cook's Pantry. Now I've heard you're going to cook us a cracker of a Thai recipe today.
Yes. Today I'm going to cook the beef with the Thai green curry.
Oh, right.
So yeah.
So steak with sauce?
Yes. We're gonna start with the steak first because the steak need to be rest for a while.
Yes.
Before we cut it up. So we're gonna marinate the steak, the beef steak with black pepper and a little bit of fish sauce. Maybe you can smell the fish sauce. Maybe when you smell here, it's too strong.
It's very strong.
But after you grill it or you cook with the heat, the protein in here, it's gonna make the smell better.
It's a beautiful seasoning once it's added to recipes.
Yes. So we just put in.
So no salt. So this is our seasoning.
We use the fish sauce instead of the salt. That's it. Easy.
Great.
Yeah, just marinate. You want to make hand dirty or?
Yeah, I can get my hands dirty, Mod. That's fine. So Mod, what's your full name?
You want to learn how to pronounce it?
Yeah,
or?
I'll try. Have a crack.
My name is Pithayarat. My surname is Senapat Pakon.
We stick with Mod.
Yeah, it's better than.
So pepper and fish sauce.
Yes.
And that's it?
That's it.
So we'll go in.
Yeah, it's going straight in.
Easy. So a couple of minutes each side.
Yeah.
So to make a Thai green curry sauce from scratch, you need a lot of ingredients.
Yeah, a lot of fresh
30,
green
40
chili,
minutes.
many things. So it's
This is easy.
Yeah.
One, all in one jar.
yeah, in one jar. And the thing is quite a soft paste. It's not too thick, so it's easier to use at home as well.
Perfect for quick and easy home cooking.
Yes. We put green curry in there to heat up with the oil.
Yeah.
So when you heat up, you will smell the herbs and things.
Tablespoon and a half of the curry paste. So you don't need a lot. You can have that jar and just keep adding it to things.
Now the beef, you can smell the smells of the fish sauce.
Yes.
It's better than you smell from the bottle.
Oh, it smells much better on the steak.
Yeah.
I'm guessing with most curries you want to fry the curry paste off to release all the fragrance.
Yes, the fragrance will come out after you fried it.
Oh, there's some chili in there, isn't there?
Yeah. Honey, can you help me? Yeah, stir it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then I add up the vegetables.
Okay, so green beans.
Green beans.
I'm guessing people could add any vegetables
Any vegetable
they
you like, yeah. Green beans, carrot, asparagus, whatever you like.
Asparagus?
You
whatever's
can add,
in season.
Yeah.
So this is there's some fiery chilies in that paste.
Yeah.
This is gonna tone everything down, mix everything, marry all them flavors together.
When you add coconut milk, you add just like maybe half first, and then you add a little bit more. If you add this in the same time, the curry paste may be in lump.
So we want to get all the lumps out now.
So now I'm gonna turn this one up as well. Maybe another side. Beautiful.
Looks very nice.
Yes.
You've done that before, I think. A couple of 100 times before. A bit more coconut.
Yes.
So, Mod, you're from Thailand originally.
Yes.
Okay, it's okay to use from the jars and everything?
Yeah, we use.
Tick of approval from Mod, he's from Thailand.
Because before that, when I was young, my grandmom made it from scratch. So use the mortar like this.
Your grandma must have big muscles.
Yeah, big muscle.
Okay, so I just keep simmering this sauce away?
Simmering a little bit and then this one in.
This is just water, okay. Just to thin it out a bit?
Yes. And then sugar.
Balance the
because
chili.
The curry paste has already got salt in there. So we add a little bit more of the fish sauce to make it a little bit more salty, but not add too much. Thai food is about balancing between saltiness, sweetness, spicy,
Sour,
sometimes sour from some sauce. Everyone can do.
So Mod, the steaks you've just sliced, they've been rested.
Yes.
This ready to go now?
Ready to go, but we need to put some herbs and chili.
Thai basil?
Thai basil, yes.
So nice kind of aniseedy,
you can
delicious flavour. More chilies.
Chili.
So this is done now. We just want the heat to wilt those Thai basil leaves.
To make it dead, perfect. And after that, you taste it first.
I was going to say, Like the restaurant, but better than the restaurant.
Thank you. So now we just plate up.
So steak goes in.
The sauce on top.
Right, so this is a real different way of presenting this dish. I'm used to seeing kind of green curries, everything's kind of stir-fried through.
Yes.
This is good. You still get the texture from the steak and you get that beautiful fragrant sauce.
When you pick up the leaves, you can save the tips.
Ah, garnishes.
Yeah, garnish.
You've been learning from Donna Hay, haven't you?
Maybe.
Yeah.
And some of the chilies here. And that's it, done. Easy and simple.
Easy.
Yes.
Under 20 minutes at home.
Yeah, yes.
Love it. Thank you, Maud.
Thank you very much.
Quick and easy Thai recipe. Spice up your midweek meal with Maud's Thai green curry steak. Thank you, Maud.
Thank you.
You come back anytime.
Okay, sure. Thank you.